Hello guys, for today's video, gagawa naman tayo ng vegetable salad. Ang aking ingredients dyan is cucumber, yung maliit lang na peraso, katamtaman lang naman, lettuce, and then 2 tomato, red tomato, and then isang white onion. And then nagboil ako ng 2 egg, tinanggal ko yung yolk niya, tsaka ako in-slice ng ganyan. Okay, and then we will put a pinch of salt to taste, ground pepper, and a small or a pinch of lemon para lang magtanggal dun sa lansa nung egg. Okay, and then we will put honey. Yan, honey to add pampatamis lang ng konti, and then we will put dressing. Ang gamit ko is ladies choice, so anything naman na meron kayo, you can use it. And then yan na, i-mix lang din. After ma-mix, ayun na, ready to serve.